Yeah, every year we bring together all the founders in the portfolio for an away day, fully immersive day. We have great panels, operators who've turned investors, mornings about inspiring everybody and learning, and the afternoons about forcing the network and trying to find ways to help each other.
At the beginning of your journey as an entrepreneur, it's so powerful when you've got people backing you that are operators and that have done it before. And we can see that from the entrepreneurs who love Founders Factory and that have been through it and have had that support from people who've actually done it.
Hearing from people who have done the process is so important. And what was really incredible is they shared some mistakes they've made. And I think that's quite vulnerable and amazing because it's helping us learn from those mistakes and not make those mistakes ourselves. So I think for me, it's just been really invaluable.
The most that I've enjoyed about the day-to-day is about the fact that you get so lost running the business on a day-to-day basis, but reminding yourself what are the most important things that you should be focusing on as a founder.
When I was a founder and running a company, it's kind of a lonely experience, and you benefit from that peer network. And so one of the fabulous things about being here is just seeing that kind of peer learnings. Like, what are the ideas happening right now? Investors don't know those things, like advisors don't know things, your peers know that stuff. So being part of that network is just